John, what do you think of all this snow here?
Well, it's winter time. It's winter time and we generally get it, although we've been lucky the last few years.
And you say this is as deep as you saw it for...
That's 3 years, yeah. That means one snow overnight. We got a lot more than they predict.
Yeah. Robert, you doing a little walking this morning? Or?
Doing a little walking, going back to the house, picked up some groceries because the weather's bad, we can't get on the road.
Okay.